Finance Limited Gold Medal for topper in Labour Law, the C. Dikshitulu Centenary Gold Medal for topper in International Law, the Punugoti Muralidhar Rao Gold Medal for topper in ADR, the Honorable Shri Justice P. Jagan Mohan Reddy Memorial Gold Medal for the girl student who has secured highest in Constitutional Law, the Ishriti Banerjee Memorial Gold Medal for the female topper in Company Law, and the Srimati Pavani Satyanarayanamma Memorial Gold Medal to the best female student for overall excellence instituted by Shri P.P. Rao. Bhavya, who has a total of 4 gold medals, the Biological E Gold Medal for the student who has secured maximum grade in Environmental Law, the Professor S.P. Chatterjee Memorial Gold Medal for topper in Environmental Law, the Santosh Kumar Mukherjee Memorial Gold Medal for the best orator, and the Sri Y.V.V. Satyanarayana Murthy Memorial Gold Medal for the topper in Criminal Law and the Law of Evidence. Tejasvi Baban Patil, a total of 3 gold medals, Sri Pavani Sarveshwar Rao Memorial Gold Medal for the best student in Law of Contracts, Sri Ashitendra Nath Mitra Memorial Gold Medal for the best student in Law of Contracts 2, Srimati B. Ratna Reddy and Honorable Sri Justice Sudarshan Reddy Gold Medal for the topper in Property Law and the Law of Contract instituted by Sri B. Vijay Sen Reddy Advocate, Hyderabad. Shruti Avinash has a total of 3 gold medals, the M. Rajendra Reddy Gold Medal for student who has secured highest mark in Law of Torts, Srimati Banda Ishwarama Memorial Gold Medal for the topper in History, and Dinanath Dhananya Gold Medal for the topper in Family Law. Garimalla Akhil Surya, who has 3 gold medals, C.V. Subramanya Shastri Memorial Gold Medal for the student who has secured the maximum grade in Constitutional Law 1, Justice Syed Shah Muhammad Qadri Gold Medal for topper in Constitutional Law, Ananta Narasimha Reddy Gold Medal for the topper in Constitutional Law, Sharon Salvi, who has 2 gold medals, Sri M. Chandrasekhar Rao Gold Medal for the topper in Constitutional Law 2, and Y. Suryanarayana Memorial Gold Medal for the topper in Constitutional Law 2. I now request Honorable Sri Justice P.S. Narasimha, Judge, Supreme Court of India, to award the gold medals to Shreyam Sharma, who has 2 gold medals, the P.D. Agarwal Memorial Gold Medal for the student who has secured highest grade in Law and Poverty, and C. Balbir Singh Rathi Memorial Gold Medal for the topper in Legal Methods. Sanvi Bhatia, who has 2 gold medals, Avan Excess Gold Medal for the student who has secured highest grade in Political Science and International Relations, Deepak Negi Memorial Gold Medal for the topper in Banking and Finance. Srivalli Kondapalli, who gets the Sri Y.V. Venkateshwar Rao Memorial Gold Medal for the topper in Law and Economics, instituted by Dr. Y. Vijayanand, Hyderabad. Arivasagan MBK gets the Samyak Annapurnar Gold Medal for the President of the SBC, instituted by Siddharth Annapur Reddy, USA. Ayushi Bajpai, who gets the Savitri Memorial Gold Medal for topper in Criminal Law, instituted by Sri N. Ramchandra Rao, former member of the Telangana Legislative Council and senior advocate, Hyderabad. I request our Chancellor, Honorable Sri Justice Sujay Paul, to award gold medals to Janvi Sahani, who gets the Amancharla Krishnamurthy Memorial Gold Medal for the best all-round student of the final year, instituted by Sri A. Narasimhamurthy, Advocate, Hyderabad. Pradyuman Singh, who gets the Srimati Sharadabai Gold Medal for topper in Property Law, instituted by Honorable Shri Justice B. Prakash Rao, former Judge, High Court of AP, and Adjunct Professor, Nalsar, Hyderabad. Shamik Datta, who gets the Dattalal Jhunjhunwala Gold Medal for the Best All-Round Male Student, instituted by Shri R.N. Jhunjhunwala, Khaitan & Co., Advocates and Notaries, Kolkata. Vishnu Bandarupalli, who gets the C. Purnaya Gold Medal for the Best Student in CPC and Law of Limitation, instituted by Honorable Shri Justice N. Ram Mohan Rao, former Judge, High Court of Judicature at Hyderabad. The Ram Dutt Gupta Memorial Gold Medal for Topper in Family Law, instituted by Srimati Sakam Reddy, is given to Anushka Borkar and Shamik Datta. Anushka is receiving it in absentia. Shreyam Sharma and Khandekar Sukrut Shailendra are sharing the Sri Venkateshwara Sukriti Setu Gold Medal for the student who has secured maximum grade in taxation, instituted by Shri Pradeep K. Khaitan, Khaitan & Co., Advocates and Notaries, Kolkata. I now request our Vice Chancellor, Professor Sri Krishna Deva Rao, to award the Vice Chancellor Gold Medal for the Best Male Student with Proven Leadership Qualities, instituted by the University.
The Best Female Graduate with Proven Leadership, Tanu Ranjan Gavankar. Now the much awaited Best Male Graduate with Proven Leadership, Yash Agrawal.
I now invite Shri Amit Yadav, Secretary, Department of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, to please come on to the dais. I request our Chief Guest, Honorable Shri Justice Bhushan Ramakrishna Gawai, Chief Justice of India, to release the handbook on prevention of atrocities against scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, and a brochure on ensuring justice for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, law in a nutshell, and posters prepared by the Department of Social Justice and Empowerment.